Christmas, which means it's time to get decorating. And guess what? It's snowing!
So cool.
Today we're going to be decorating the van, both the outside and the inside. We've got all these fairy lights. We're going to cover the outside of the van. Then inside we've got a little tree that we're going to decorate. We're going to show it all to you. And then tonight we're probably going to watch a Christmas movie and have hot chocolates. And it's going to be really cozy and nice. So we've got four
Christmas lights.
4 packets. We got these in Romania. They were like £5 each, I think. They were really cheap. We're so excited. We've got like this vision in our head. I hope we've got enough Christmas lights. So it's in a powered light, not battery powered. So got it going through the window so we can plug it in. So we got all the lights unraveled and through the window, and now we're starting to take them along the van. I'm so excited, this is gonna look so cool.
I started with the front because it's like the shortest bit, and
yeah.
The cords aren't that long, so all the lights have to start at the window.
Yeah.
The little control box. So I think we'll do one across the top.
Some progress, but we thought we'd turn them on while we do it because I don't know, it's just a bit more fun when they're on. So Myron's just run inside, so let's wait to see him turn them on. It's exciting. Oh, some just went on. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I think put them on solid. Oh, it looks so cool. It'll be much better when it's darker, but still, it looks so cool. Done 3 of the lines and even managed to go around to the back, and now we're just figuring out where to put the last one.
It needs to be about maybe just below this line here. Down like that.
Yeah, maybe a bit lower. Do you think we should put tinsel? It's getting darker, so you're starting to see it better.
The van's so beautiful, and it started snowing just now. It looks so good. So awesome.
Taking photos, and now it started snowing. You probably can't see it on camera, but it's really snowing. We just had to run inside and wipe the cameras clean and come back out. And
we were afraid that tomorrow all the snow would have melted, but I think it'll be fine. So cool here, so many of the other houses are decorated as well. And you can even hear a brass band playing in the background. So cool.
Pretty happy with how this turned out. But it is getting cold, so we're going to finish up with some photos, and then we're going to go inside and put up our tree and watch a Christmas movie and have some dinner and hot chocolates and be really Christmassy. Warming up. Just want to show you, I was wearing 2 coats while we were outside. Get me warm-ish, but it's like -5 I think, and snowing, so it got a bit cold. Now I'm just making some dinner. I'm boiling up some potatoes and carrots, and then I'm gonna fry them, and then they kind of make, like fry them in a bit of butter, and then they kind of make almost like roast potatoes and roast carrots. And then we've got some other veggies I'm going to cook up, and Myron's going to have schnitzel. And then we're going to have some gravy on the potatoes. So kind of making like a almost kind of little tiny bit of a Christmas dinner. Not really, but a van version of Christmas dinner using just what we already have in the van. So now the potatoes are boiled. I melted some butter in this wok and then I've put the potatoes in, and yes, I cooked way too many for us. And I've added some salt, and then I'm going to add some garlic, some black pepper and some rosemary. Dinner is done. It's definitely not the healthiest dinner, it's fried potatoes, but we're running low on groceries and it's a nice and cozy meal. Time to do the Christmas tree, and I want to put it here. Oh, I burnt the table. We want to put it here, so I'm going to clear this spot. So now the bench is clear. I'm going to put some of the Christmas lights up. Myron's put Christmas lights around the van. I'm going to put them on the bench. A nice little area for the Christmas tree. We'll have to change this when we drive, but for now this is cute. Myron is just like perplexed about having to put the little strings on the baubles ourselves, but that's because I always do it and he's never seen the baubles and they come straight out of the packet.
Leave a comment if you think that.
Yeah, do your baubles usually come with the string on, or do they come without the string, with a bunch of strings, and you have to put them on yourself? Yeah, let us know. He did his first one.
My first one.
Well done, so proud. Christmas tree, and we've got lights back there, and yes, it was snowing outside. Well, it's still snowing outside, but I'm in a singlet top and Myron's in a t-shirt inside because our heater is keeping us nice and warm. And now we're gonna get some treats out of the cupboard and watch a Christmas film.
That sounds good.
I don't think we've mentioned this in the video, and some of our videos are out of order, so you might not know where we are, but we're in Germany, and I found Germany's been really good for veggie food. They even have lots of flavours of vegetarian lollies or sweets. We're all set up for Christmas movie night.
Yay.
What are we gonna watch?
The Holiday or something, maybe?
The Holiday.
The Holiday.
You say that like it's a question.
Oh, you've already downloaded it as well.
Yeah, we're definitely watching The Holiday. It's my favourite Christmas movie of all time, and one of my favourite movies of all time. Like, yeah. I have to watch it every year, so I think, oh no, I have watched a Christmas movie
this year.
It's where
they have the 4 Christmases, right?
No.
Oh.
That's 4 Christmases or 4 holidays. This is The Holiday with like Jude Law and Kate Winslet and Cameron Diaz and Jack Black.
Oh yes, Jack Black.
And
cool.
I've watched a few Christmas movies already this year. Just the like some of the cheesy Netflix Hallmark Channel like ones.
They've come out with quite a few this year.
Yeah, but this is my first like classic Christmas movie of the year. I'm so excited.
We've got lollies, popcorn and chocolate.
Yeah, all the essentials.
All our Christmas lights.
It feels very Christmassy, doesn't it?
Very good in here.
Yeah.
Very good.
I love that sound. Do you want to turn it up? Myron's getting a healthier snack. Tired.
It's like 12 o'clock now.
Yeah. We should probably go to bed because we've got to get up and do lots tomorrow.
And check out the town here as well.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
It's just a cute little village. We had a really fun time decorating the van.
Yeah.
We got some cool photos and it was just heaps of fun, and listening to Christmas music, and we had a delicious dinner. And watched The Holiday for the first time this year.
Yeah.
It was cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's almost Christmas. How exciting is that?
16th today.
Yeah. 16th we're filming this. I think it'll be the 19th when it goes out. Yeah. thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Christmassy videos, and we have more travel videos because we're kind of putting this before some of the videos we've already filmed just to get up in time for Christmas. So we've got loads more places to come. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. We make 3 to 4 videos a week, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye. Good night.
Night.
Our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.